How to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 stuck on checking for updates error. First step, reset Microsoft Store cache. Open run and type the following text. wsreset.exe. Click OK and wait for some time. It will automatically open. Then move on with next step. Open settings. Click app settings. Click install app. Scroll down and search for gaming services. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side, click it and click advanced option, scroll down. Under reset, click repair. Sometimes repair will not work because if it's running in background means it will not repair. So you can directly click reset. Once complete after, come back, scroll down and search for Xbox. Click the three dot icon on the right hand side, click advanced option, scroll down, under reset, click repair. Once repair complete after, you can click reset. Successfully resetted. Then move on with next step. Click Windows Update. Make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it. Make your Windows up to date. You can click check for update and make your Windows up to date. Then move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click run as administrator and type the following text. sfc /scan now. Type it and click OK. Wait for some time. It's actually verifying your files in your device. Successfully verified. Exit it, then move on with next step. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Scroll down, click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now. Thank you.